While granite magmas are in place deep underground, other magmas are known to reach the Earth's surface where they are erupted as lava flows from volcanoes and fissures. Volcanic eruptions take place today in geologically active regions of the world like Iceland, which sits on the boundary between two of the Earth's grinding tectonic plates. But even modern eruptions like these would have been dwarfed by some of the catastrophic eruptions known to have taken place in the Earth's past. Our journey continues as we travel northwards along the coast of Ireland to a place where one of these massive outpourings of lava occurred. Our destination is the beautiful coastline of County Antrim. Antrim might seem an unlikely place to study volcanic catastrophes, but as we shall see, its peacefulness and tranquility today is deceptive. About 500,000 people come to the Antrim coastline every year to visit the Giant's Causeway. According to local legend, the causeway was built by the giant Finn McCool. And, sure enough, the strange columns look as though they might have been carved and placed there by a giant. But in fact, the causeway is the product of a series of extensive lava flows that poured out across this landscape in the distant past. As the lavas cooled, they began to shrink and crack, leaving the distinctive hexagonal columns that we see today, some of them over 300 feet high. In fact, these lava flows are just part of a much larger volcanic province that once covered much of the North Atlantic. Similar lava flows can be found today in the Western Isles of Scotland, as well as the Faroe Islands, Greenland, and Rockall. Together, these lava flows amount to over 1.5 million cubic kilometers of erupted lava, and they're all formed at about the same time. Similar volcanic provinces are known from other parts of the world, and the speed with which they formed is astonishing. In some cases, individual lava flows traveled hundreds of kilometers in just a matter of days. Eruption followed eruption, generating stacks of lava flows extremely quickly. These ancient outpourings were so massive and erupted so suddenly that they've become known as flood basalts. It is difficult for us to imagine what such eruptions must have been like. They were many times larger than any known historic eruption, and they leave us wondering how representative of the past the present really is.